Find the RMS value of the root log x over the range x is equal to 1 and x is equal to e. See here also solution. So first of all, let f of x is equal to or y is equal to under root log x, and the values limits are x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, consider it is a. Second one is x is equal to e, consider it is b. See, if we want to find RMS value, first of all we have to find a mean square value. See, RMS value is not at all equal to mean square value. RMS value means under root of mean square value. So first of all, find MSV. MSV means mean square value is equal to, formula is 1 by b minus a integral a to b f of x whole square dx. See, we know that b, it is e, a value is 1, f of x or y value is under root of log x, substitute here, that is equal to 1 by b, b value is e, so it is e minus a value is 1, so 1 integral a 1 to b value is e, f of x value is root log x, and here square, so square into dx. We know that square root gets cancelled, that is equal to 1 by e minus 1 into integral 1 to e log x dx. See here, integral of log x dx by integration by parts, the formula answer is x into log x minus x plus c. If we use them by integration by parts formula, the next, if we substitute integral of log x dx value x into log x minus x here, that is equal to 1 by e minus 1 into x into log x minus x, the limits are 1 to e, that is equal to 1 by e minus 1. Now substitute upper limit in x place e, here we have x, so substitute e into log x, again substitute upper limit, minus here also x upper limit, minus substitute the lower limit 1 into log 1 minus 1, that is equal to 1 by e minus 1 into e log e value is 1 because it is natural logarithm, minus e minus log 1 value is 0 minus 1. That is equal to MSV is equal to 1 by e minus 1 into 1 into e into 1 e minus e minus 0 minus 1 is minus 1. See here, log e value is 1, at the same time log 1 value is 0, so log 1 it is 0, log 1 is 0, log e value is 1, so that is equal to 1 by e minus 1 e minus e, it is 0 minus minus into minus plus 1, that is equal to 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 by e minus 1 into 1, that is equal to 1 by e minus 1. This is the MSV, but RMS is equal to root MSV. that is equal to root MSV value is 1, sorry, MSV value is 1 by E minus 1. So 1 by E minus 1 under root. This is the RMS value.